Hello everyone and welcome again to the CAE and ME guys. So from today we are going to start with a new software package which is known as Altair HyperWorks. So we are diving into the world of HyperWorks Suite, a powerful software package widely used in the field of simulation and optimization. So let's get started with the exploration of HyperWorks Suite and what we will cover in the upcoming session. So let me clarify what different modules which are available within the Altair HyperWorks Suite. So after CAD modeling process, when you want to perform the simulation, when you want to perform the FEA analysis, you require the pre-processing, then you will go for the solver, post-processing, optimization, which required different modules which are available within the HyperWorks Suite. So when we'll talk about the pre-processing, you will find the two different modules are available. The one is the HyperMesh and another one is the HyperCrash. Basically, the HyperMesh is a high-performance finite element preprocessor for creating and editing complex module. Like that, the HyperCrash is a module focused on a crash and safety analysis, enabling engineer to simulate the real-world condition. The next module or capability which is the HyperWorks Suite is having is solver. So when you will go for the solver in the HyperWorks, you will find two different modules are available. The first one is the OptiStructs and another one is the radios. So by using the OptiStruct, you can do structural analysis, optimization capable of finding linear and non-linear analysis. And similarly, in the radios you will find you can go for the explicit dynamic analysis commonly used for the crash and impact simulation. So based on your application, you will decide which type of solver is required for your particular modeling process. Either you require the OptiStruct or the radios. Once you are done with the solver process, you will move to the third step of FEA, which is known as the post-processing. So for the post-processing, you will find two different modules are available. The first one is the HyperView and another one is the HyperGraph. So basically, HyperGraph is a compressive post-processing and visualization tool providing engineer with in-depth analysis of simulation result. Similarly, HyperGraph, you will find a data analysis and plotting tool that allow engineer to explore and interpret the simulation data. And the fourth step of FEA simulation is the optimization. That means you want to optimize the result. You want to get a better result with respect to the previous design, previous simulation. So in the HyperWorks Suite, you will find two different modules are available. The one is the HyperStudy and the second one is the HyperShape or CATIA. Under the HyperStudy, you will find a module dedicated to the design exploration, optimization and robustness assessment. And the second one is the HyperShape, which is known as a shape optimization module integrated with CATIA, enabling engineer to optimize design directly within the CAD environment. So these are some capability which is HyperWorks Suite is having. So we'll start from the HyperMesh, then we will perform the simulation or analysis in the OptiStructs. So that will be the agenda for next session. So we will start from the HyperMesh. Once we are done with the HyperMesh, we will start analysis, how to do analysis under the HyperWorks OptiStruct, that we will see. So that's it for today. We will meet again in the next session. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.